Hi kids, we're about to play a game and it's called Alphabet Search. So you can play with one other person, 2, 3, 4, 5. It really doesn't matter how many people are playing the game. What you will need to use is have an adult make your cards for you, and all they need is a piece of paper. It doesn't have to be construction paper. It can be regular notebook paper or whatever you already have. And they need to draw the lines. So you have 5 rows horizontal and 5 rows vertical. So you need 26 spaces to fit all of the letters of the alphabet in it. Okay, you'll also need some type of object to place on the letter after the person selects the letter. So I have a bowl with the letters written down on paper. And they're mixed up, and I'm going to allow the kids to pick the letter. So once they pick the letter, they hand it to me, and let's say it's B. So they look on their card to see if they have B. If they do, they put a little object on that letter. Now, you're not finished until you get all 26, okay? So let's go ahead and give it a try. Are we ready?
Ready.
We're going to do only 10 of them. Okay, what letter was that? J. J. Do you have J? If you do, let's find it on our card. I have J. Do you have J? Okay, pick up your object and let's find J on your card. Let's see. Great job. Okay, next one. Please pick. Okay, what's that? Oh, B. B. Do you have B? We have B. And then I'll pick the next one. It's D. D on your card. Yes. Do you have D? Look very closely. Great job. Next one. L. Check your card for the letter L. L. Look on your card as well. You're next.
I am very specific. M.
M. M. The letter M. That's right above B for me. Okay. The next letter. Shh. The next letter is T. T. Now in the background, you can be playing music, you can have some things going on. Of course, we want you to laugh and have fun when you play this game. All right, we're only gonna do a few more. This is just to show you how to play. Let's look on your card again. Look really closely. Do you have T on your card? Oh, you do. I see a T. Where's your T? Ah. Good job. Okay, let's do 2 more. N. N.
O.
And O. Okay, do we have O? Everybody look on your card. And we're gonna we're going to stop there. So, at the end, everybody should have every letter of the alphabet marked with an object because it will all be done. So hers would be full, and mine as the person calling out the letter would be full too. And that's how you play Alphabet Search. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Christal's Place so you don't miss a thing.